Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, and this is my market recap where we're going to look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community. Link is down here in the corner at the end of the video and in the description of the video. If you would like to check out my membership program, you do so on my website, fxpipcollector.com. Gives you access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So gold did end up pushing down a little bit further today. I said this morning that I thought that this would likely drag out to be a much bigger correction, probably even drag out to look something like that by the time we're done. I doubt that this is the end of a trend though on the higher time frames. I think there's a good chance it's going to probably end up doing something like this. ABC, probably go down to a Fibonacci level like the 61, 78%, and hopefully maybe tomorrow at the CPI inflation data, we'll get another impulsive move up and another continuation of the uptrend. I'm definitely looking at right below that $3,000 a ounce mark for the potential end of this trend. So unless it goes all the way down and takes out this blue line breaking the higher time frame structure, I am definitely still looking at anything I see to the downside as nothing more than a possible correction to the uptrend. Looking for three-way pullbacks, looking for Fibonacci bounces still to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.